Hello guys, welcome to the channel Ads with Lavneek, and today I'm going to share a very important update with you which can affect your campaign performance significantly. So what is the update? So here if you see it says today when your campaign has a limited by budget status, if you use a target based bid strategy, for example it could be target CPA or target ROAS, some campaigns may be overperforming on bidding targets and see performance fluctuations when budgets are adjusted. So you must have seen this before as well if you're working on Google Ads campaign, that whenever there is a campaign which is under limited by budget status and we make some adjustment in the budgets, our cost per conversion usually gets increased and our ROAS usually gets decreased after making the budget adjustments. So in order to kind of fix that thing, what Google is now do is that the campaign that are limited by budget that use a target based bid strategy will more consistently perform toward your bid target, including when you make budget adjustments, so you can grow your campaign with more predictable performance. Now this is very important for us to understand because if you have a campaign that is limited by budget that has historically overachieved its stated target, you may experience performance volatility if you do not make any changes to the campaign before August 17. So what does it mean? So basically, let's say you are running a lead gen campaign and you are using target CPA as a bid strategy. So as a target CPA, you have put 500 rupees as your target. But in the last 30 days, say your cost per conversion or your cost per lead is just 300 rupees. Now after August 17, what will happen is Google can increase that 300 rupees cost per conversion to 500 rupees to match it with your target CPA. And just to avoid that and just to keep your performance intact and unchanged after this update, what you need to do is you need to lower your targets as per your current cost per conversion. So if you are getting a cost per conversion of 300 rupees, you need to change your target from 500 rupees to 300 rupees. And my recommendation would be to just check your last 30-day performance. What is the cost per conversion you are getting? And then gradually match your target with that number. So for example, if your current target is 500 rupees and your cost per conversion in last 30 days is, let's say, 300 rupees. So gradually decrease your targets from 500 to 450, then 400, then 350, and then finally 300. As Google will aim to, deliver your cost per conversion, which equals to your target CPA, which is 500 in our case, right? And that also follows for our target ROAS campaign. So if you have set a ROAS of 6x for your campaign, but what you're getting in the last 30 days is 8x, then what will happen after this update, or what can happen after this update is Meta will give you a ROAS of 6x only because that was your target. So that is something you need to fix as soon as possible and make the changes to your campaign to avoid any performance drop in your campaigns. And if you see here, it is also mentioned in an example, if your campaign target is $10 but your recent actual performance is $5, your campaign will deliver more closely to $10 actual CPA starting August 17, 2026. So update your target to $5 to maintain your recent performance or to a target CPA of your choosing based on your business goals. So this is very important, guys, and my suggestion would be to just decrease your targets as per your last 30-day performance gradually. Do not make the changes in one go, which can also impact your campaign performance. Do it gradually. And yeah, so that was the update, guys. I hope I was able to add some value, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care and bye bye.